everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. We can chat though, because but we'll just mute your voice. We have this lovely patient who saw me, was it 2 years ago, for an ingrown toenail. Now she's back with these lovely bad boys, little tiny corns. That is quite painful. So I'm just gonna gently remove this. Oh, there you go. So you can see it just there, a little tiny dot there with this 15 blade. I'm gonna be very, very gentle. And then I'm gonna use my 15 blade, and it's called a kind of click and flick kind of technique. So how do you know if your corns is completely gone? So first you listen to the noise of it. So you can hear it. Look at that. Yeah, that's quite hard. Flip the blade, because you want to do the other side. You can go all the way around. And then just flip it out. All the way around. Flip it out. All the way around. All the way around. Flip it out. And I probably just took out the first layer of it, because this is 1 year old, 2 year old, 1 year old?
I would say 1 year.
Yeah, so it's an old bad boy. So I took off the first layer, and you can see, oh wait, there's another one. Well, the same one but deeper. So it's gonna get a little bit trickier to remove all of that. So what I'm gonna do is probably use a drill later on, just to get down to the root of it.